Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in the previous class we discussed about dual laws and the logical identities, whether it's following dual laws or not. So now we'll see. We'll check logical equivalence for De Morgan's law and absorption law. So we have seven logical identity rays: De Morgan's law, associative law, like that. So let us check for two. Okay. So what is De Morgan's law? Negation of P or Q equal to negation P and negation Q. And the second one is dual of the first one. So negation of P and Q equal to negation P or negation Q. So first we'll solve the first one. Okay. So later on we'll see the second one. Okay. The first one is P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P or Q, negation P or Q. Okay, negation P and negation Q. Okay, so I have only P and Q, right? Only two values, that is 2 power 2, I'll get 4. So true, true, false, false, true, false, false. Okay, so what is negation P? True, true, false, false. Negation P is exactly opposite, right? So false, false, true, true. So what about negation Q? True, false, true, false. That is false, true, false, true. Okay. So what is P or Q? Either one can be true, it will be true. So true, 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 false. So what is negation of P or Q? Exactly opposite to this. False, 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 true. So what is negation P and negation Q? I have negation P and negation Q. And what is and? Both should be true. Then only it will be true. False, 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 true. So whether we got the same value or not. False, 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 true. False, 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 true. Okay. Now check for the second one, dual. So P, Q, negation P, negation Q, P and Q, negation of P and Q, negation P or negation Q. So again, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So negation P, negation Q fill the same values. False, false, true, true, false, true, false, true. Okay. So now P and Q. So what is P and Q? Both should be true. Okay. So true. Remaining all cases false. So what is negation of P and Q? Exactly opposite to this. False, true, true, true. Okay. So what about negation P or negation Q? This is negation P, negation Q. So if either one can be true, it will be true. So false, true, true, true. So if you see these two values, false, true, 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 this is false, true, true, true. So both are equivalent. Now if you see carefully, we have solved these two. So if you see carefully, it will be exactly mirror image. So mirror image in the sense opposite, right? So what are we saying? For or we are saying and. Okay. So if you see here, true, true, false, false. Let us assume this is a mirror. Okay. So what we have is exactly opposite. So if you see false, false, it will be true, true. True, true, it will be false, false. So if you see here, I am writing the dotted lines here. So false will be true, false will be true, true will be false, true will be false. Okay. So true, false, true, false. This false will be true. This true will be false. This false will be true. This true will be false. And here, true, true, false, 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 true, 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 false, false, true, 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 false, true, F becomes T, T, all the three T's becomes three false. So false, 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 true, false, true, 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 false, 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 true, false, true, 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 like that. So exactly mirror. So that is what dual is, right? R becomes and becomes R. So we have solved for De Morgan's law. Now we'll check for absorption law. So just an verification whether what we discussed about logical identities are logical equivalent or not, whether that dual is perfect or not. This is our checking. And next one is absorption law. So they may ask you in examination, check the logical equivalence for De Morgan's law or absorption law. They will not give these formulas. So if they ask you De Morgan's law, you should know the formula. Okay, now we will see for absorption law. So what is absorption law here? P or P and Q equal to logical equivalent to P. The dual of that is P and P or Q equal to P. Okay, so we'll check here. P, Q, P and Q, P or P and Q. Okay, see these P and Q are true, right? So true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So what is P and Q? Both should be true, then only true. True. Remaining all cases false. So what is P or P and Q? So either one can be true. So true, true, false, false. So what we got? True, true, false, false. Okay. So what is the problem here? P or P and Q should be equal to P. So what we got? True, true, false, false. What is P here? True, true, false, false. Both are same. Okay. So now we'll see for this one. So again, P, Q, P or Q, P and P or Q. True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So what is P or Q? Either one can be true, right? Okay. So true, 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 false. Okay. So what is P and P or Q? So this is P or Q, right? So what is and either one can be both should be true. So true, true, false, false. Okay. So true, true, false, false. So here I got true, true, false, false. So both are P and P or Q should be equal to P, right? So now as I said that it's exactly mirror image, right? So false, false, true, 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 false, false. So you can see value here. True, true, false, false. False, false becomes true, true, false, false, like that. Exactly mirror image. So this is all about how to check logical equivalence for different laws, logical identities. It can be De Morgan's law, it can be absorption law, it can be associative law, it can be distributive law. So whatever law it is, here we need to check whether the first law and the duality are exactly same or not. So exactly same in the sense whether or is converted to and or not. Okay. So in this way they may ask you in examination. So I hope you like my video. So students who are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe my channel and please share my videos to your friends who are studying in different other colleges so that they will get benefited, and please tell them to subscribe and please support me in all possible ways. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.